Hi guys, welcome to the second part of our course Let's Get Started with Blogger. And in this second part I'm going to show you how to make a website on Blogger, how to get started with Blogger, how you can create a simple blog on Blogger. So just keep watching. This video is going to be very important for the person who want to make a website on Blogger. So just keep watching. And before I begin, let me tell you that if you are new here on this channel, then make sure to tap on that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to receive the third part of this course that we are making right now. So just do it, and now let's begin. You can see this is the computer screen, and here we have the browser. You can use any kind of browser you have, but right now I'm using this Brave browser. It is a special browser. Just type blogger.com. This is the website, blogger.com. I hope that you are seeing this screen recording is turned on. Okay, and here go to blogger.com, this website, blogger.com. If you don't have a computer, then you can also use your phone and follow this process that I'm showing you on your screen. So here, this is the site of Blogger. If you open the Blogger for first time, then you'll get this kind of interface. It is a little bit long website, you can see that. So to create a blog, just tap on this button, create a blog. And guys, sorry for a little bit background noise, so don't focus on the background noise. I'm sorry for that. So here, if you tap on the create your blog button, this button, create your blog, then here it will take you to this page, choose your account. So here you need to have a Gmail or Google account to continue with Blogger. And also, this platform Blogger is made by Google. It is a service of Google, so you can trust on Blogger and log in with your Google account. So here I'm gonna just log in with my account. I need to put the password now, so I'm gonna fastly put the password. Let me do it. So after typing the password, just tap on this next button, and here it will log in with Blogger. So here we have, I'm gonna say not now, and what will come next? Here we have logged into Blogger successfully, and then here it will show you this page. So choose a name for your blog. So here you need to type the title for your blog, or name anything you can say. So here I'm going to choose the basic name, like let's choose I'm going to type my name right now, Alok Mishra. I'm not using my both hand because I have this mic on my another hand. So I'm after typing the name of your blog, you can choose any name, and make sure to choose the perfect name for your blog, so your website will look more professional. Tap the name and click on the next button, and then here it will tell you to type the address. Address is this URL of your site. So here in this page you need to create the URL of your site. So like here you have blogger.com. so this is the address of the website Blogger, and just like that you also need to have create a address or URL, link, anything you can say, of your website to continue with Blogger. So here I'm going to create a simple URL. Let's type Invotic. I think this is not available. Invotic official, OFFICIEL, Invotic official. This is the URL that I have chosen, and here you can see this blog address is available. Okay, this blog address is available. So this blog address is available. You can see over here we have this thing written. After that, tap on the next button, and again make sure to choose the perfect and fantastic name for your website. And here you need to type the display name, and here this name will display on your website. So like here, if I will show you my website, Mr. MarkUp, then here the name is Mr. MarkUp. You can see the logo. So this is the display name. It is a logo, but here you can also change the logo and the text. So here I'm gonna type invotic here, invotic, and tap on this button, finish. Just click on the button, finish processing. Display name updated. Okay, so now you have successfully created your blog, and it will take you to the dashboard of Blogger. Now to to see your blog, just tap on this button, view blog, and here it will load up your site. Right now we have this kind of website. We have created this kind of site. It is a simple website and fantastic. And in our second part, we will see that how you can change the template, how you can do more things with Blogger, how to post article. Let me tell you that in this part. To post an article, you can see over here new post. Just click on it, and from here you can type your just article, give your article a title, and then publish it. And I'll tell you more things about this thing in our third part. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna just go back, and here we have the simple blog. The third part will come very soon, and in the third part I will tell you the best template for Blogger, how to customize your Blogger website, and more things about Blogger. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon so you'll not miss the third part. And that's it for this video. Also make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to get more technology related content. And that's it. Peace.